What's up, guys? This is your boy Duerguy, and today I'm here with another banger. My little cousin is right here. What's up, cousin? You want to say something to them? Alright, so I just heard somebody knock on my door, and I think I know who it is. We're gonna go outside and go check for who it is, and hopefully it is what I think it is. I'm nervous. I am nervous. Oh my god. Whoa! Look who it is. The parts that I ordered. I know you guys don't have any idea what it is. I'm gonna go right in the video, get the stuff inside, unbox it in front of you guys for you guys to check it out. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share with your friends and all kinds of stuff. My channel's name is Duerguy. I'm Duerguy. And welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my full Focus ST and whatever we do with a Focus ST and any races that we race. If you like those kind of stuff, make sure you like and subscribe, share the channel, leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? When you leave a comment and you interact with me, I'm able to do all kinds of cool stuff for you guys, so make sure you do that. I'm going to keep the camera right here and go get that little thing right there real quick. Oh, they're really light. I thought it was going to be heavy. I know you guys are not ready for what's in here, but I'm real excited. Oh man. Okay, they're still the same. Wait, okay. Two big boxes that we got. Let's go right into the video and start the video. I'm gonna take these boxes upstairs. I'll be right back. They're light boxes, man. I'm not trying to give away what's in here yet, but maybe the title might be able to give it up, so give it a second. You hear that? Alright, let me get the knife, cut this, open it up, and see what's in here. Alright, let's get right into the video today. Oh man, I'm real excited about this, man. Like, I can't say it enough how excited I am. So, gonna get the knife ready, put the box on my lap, and slowly open it up. Slowly open it up. I mean, if you guys think you know what's in here already, just give it a guess. I mean, the title might give it up what it is, but we are gonna see what's in here. And okay, we got our return shipping label and stuff. I got the stuff from Rock Auto. I'm gonna leave like the link and the part number that I got for what I have here for you guys if you guys want to do it. Oh my god, it's kind of heavy. Okay. Alright, I see it. I see what it is. I can't tell you guys yet, but you guys give me a second and let me. Something I want to buy is going for sale right now, so let me see it. Okay, 14 minutes. We got 14 minutes. Alright, man. Let's get right into the video. Let's pop this box open. Yeah. Yes! Oh my freaking god! You would not believe what's in here. Give it a guess what it is. Give it a freaking guess what it is. Like, holy crap! This thing looks so good! Holy crap! What? This thing is, oh my god, the brakes. This is the new brake that's going on my 2016 Focus ST. I'm looking to get more power. I'm looking to get to like 500 horsepower at least, or 400 with built-in turbo and stuff like that. That's why I'm getting these kind of stuff, you know, just to get it out of the way. I have my second motor, which I'm going to rebuild to do that, to go 600 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? But for now, this is what we got. It is really light. I thought it was gonna be like 20 pounds, but it isn't. Maybe I should weigh this and see how much it weighs. But oh my freaking god, this thing looks so good. And I bought it painted already because I was gonna keep it painted. You know, I didn't want to buy it unpainted and then choose a color. But I did a bunch of research to see if there was any blue RS paints that was on STs, and I found some, and it looked really good. And I like the color. I don't remember the name of the color. It's called nitrous blue or something like that. Yeah. So I wanted to keep it blue like it is from the RS, you know, and make it pop out of my car. Like, so I'm gonna have blue brakes, and I'm gonna have a red car with black accents and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a livery on my car sometime soon. I don't know when. I don't know what livery I'm going with. I just can't find something that makes me I'm excited about yet. So, but anyways, this is what we got. We got our Brembo RS brake calipers, and we're gonna go with a whole Brembo kit. So I got the fronts. I'm gonna do the backs later, but I'll probably just keep my backs since they're the same like the RS's. So I'll just keep the backs and just paint them this nitrous blue. But I love this. I actually love this. It looks so good. I love the Brembo. Look at that. This is my first Brembo brake kit that I've ever owned on any car. I never owned any car with Brembo kit, so I'll be able to definitely tell the difference between like stopping power and stuff like that. We're gonna keep that here. We're gonna pop the next box open and see what's in there. So this is really exciting, man. Like, oh my god, I haven't been excited to open a box in forever. The last box that I opened that I was really excited about was my wheels, but this is really exciting, yo. I can't wait to open a turbo kit and be this excited for you guys. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Like, if you guys are not interacting with me and talking with me when I say like, subscribe, share, and stuff like that, I'm not able to make more videos, you know? Because all this stuff costs money, you know what I'm saying? I'm spending my money to do it, to entertain you guys, just not to make you guys bored, and I enjoy doing stuff like this, you know? So if I'm spending money away and I'm making somebody smile, or just by me sitting here and just talking, it means something to me. So you should consider liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends. But anyways, let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh my god, I love this, man. I freaking love this. And I will put the price, how much I pay for all this stuff together for you guys too. So if you guys would like to purchase anything like this, I'll let you guys know how much it is. So we got both the Brembo kits, and we got the left and the right. These things are heavy, but they're not as heavy. Oh my freaking god. Look at that. Now how do I know which one is the right, which one is the left? Does it say anything like that? Oh man. I'm not going to install this on myself, so I'm going to have my friend who owns the shop do it for me, you know. Because I never did an RS brake kit, so it's kind of like, I don't know what to do. But, oh my freaking god, this looks so beautiful. I'm really excited for this. Yeah, I can't wait to put it in my car. Like, as soon as I get the rotors from them, I'm putting it in my car. And I'm really excited. If you guys are excited, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you share this channel. This is what this video is about. So, with the RS Brembo kit stuff, right, all you need is basically the kit, which I think I'm missing something else. They didn't bring something in. I think I'm missing something. Huh. Yeah, because I'm missing the metal pieces that holds into the back of the, like the kit that holds back here. But basically what you need is you need to get the RS lines. I was gonna get like the metal ones, but I'm like, it's extra money. I don't go on the track often. If I go on the track maybe once a while, and I believe these are like made to, like ours is a race car, so they're made to like hold on to like the power and stuff like that. But I'm really excited about this, you feel me? Can't wait to put them on car. And I think I'm missing something now. Now I'm just realizing it. I'm missing something. Let's see what we're missing. I'm missing the little what do you call it that comes with it? The metal part. Which I don't know where it went. I was so excited I didn't even care about the metal part. Now I'm realizing I'm missing something. But anyways, I'm gonna leave this video here. If I find a piece, I'll find it. If they didn't ship it, they'll probably ship it soon. But this is the new Brembo kit for the Focus ST. And oh my god, blue on red. Let's go check out the car, man. Oh my freaking god, look at that. That's gonna look insane. It's gonna be sitting right there. Like, what? I'm really excited about this, man. This is like the RS Brembo kit upgrade and stuff like that. It's gonna go in the Focus ST. I'm gonna do the front and the rears of them. So if you guys love this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and do what you gotta do to help the channel grow, you know what I mean? Because this was not a cheap piece, and yeah, I love it. Like, I'm excited about it.